We are very happy that the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has initiated the Kayakalp Award Scheme for the hospitals of our country. Being awarded with the Certificate of Commendation in 2016-17 has been very encouraging for us, and since then, special activities have been taken up to prepare for the next year's assessment. To start with, there has been several rounds of internal assessment, followed by reviews, meetings and reorientation of staff of all categories. Some were done in groups and some individually, all under the leadership of our Joint Director of Health Services and Superintendent of Haflong Civil Hospital. This year, our focus was on process improvement and corrections in the areas that were pointed out in the previous assessment, such as biomedical waste management, infection control, staff reorientation, facility appearance, improving accessibility through uniform signages, and record maintenance. We had also arranged for visits to award-winning hospitals of our states by our staff to pick up the best practices from there, which we have later implemented in our hospital. All the activities have been planned as sustainable practices linked to positive health outcome. It has been an enriching journey for us, and winning the first prize this year has encouraged us even more to continuously strive for improvement. hope our endeavor will be able to reduce morbidity and mortality in our district and at the same time inculcate the culture of cleanliness within our health facility.